Hi everyone, welcome back. Our next video. Today topic we discuss about what is return and what is exit. Both we discuss and what is token, what is the different types of tokens and what is the difference between printf, putchar, putchar. Those three topics discussed in this session. Okay, and for start, return was exit. Return and exit both can end the program if used in main function. These both are used in main function and both are used to end the program, but in different approaches. Okay, and what is that approaches we discuss? First of all, return 0. Return, it is a language keyword to exit from a function to control statement, and exit is an standard library function. And the main difference between those two, return exists the current function and give control back to the function. Which function? Calling function. Back to the calling function. And the exit, after exit there is no function or no further statements in the functions or subsequent functions calls are executed. The main thing is Return 0 in this program written after some code, some like in curly braces after some body loop code is written and return is executed and uh, curly braces and main function and another some body code is written. Okay, in this program, in first body loop first function block written is executed and second function block written is executed, but in exit same code is written exit in main function exit. This way two function blocks are executed, but in this program because of exit only one function block is executed. After exit that first function blocks, entire program terminates that program. So this second function block is not executed. Okay, and simply say control, this is written, right? This is exit. Control break to calling function. In this exit, process termination. The entire code or program. Okay. And main thing is in this return function executed, there is no specific header file is required. But in this exit function requires as include stdlib standard library function. Okay, you know header file. What is header file? Write this program. This is very simple code, right? This is as include standard input or output function. This is standard input output function. This is header file. This is main function and this is printf. What we wrote the code in input, this is shown output, and this code output is welcome my learnings. Okay, This is header file and this is main function, and this printf executed in standard bit include standard input output function. Those main function printf is written, this standard input IO function header file is required, and this is not mandatory for a return, okay? But in exit, additional one header file is required. That is as include standard library stdlib.h. This function is mandatory, okay? In this return, there is no specific header file is required, but exit function standard library header file is required. Okay, I think clarify between return and exit. Okay, is there any doubts? Please comment below. Okay, next topic is tokens. Token. Token, it is the smallest unit. It is the smallest unit in a program. Token is very smallest unit in a program. And what is the types of tokens we discuss? In these tokens include keywords, reserved words. What is reserved words? Int, for, if, while, return, void. These are keywords and identifiers. This is one, and another one is identifiers. Identifiers, words not known to the compiler. Hence, must be declared, like sum, main, x variable. Okay, this like, and another one is operators. Symbol used, having specific operation to perform, plus, minus, nothing but mathematical operations, equal to, greater than, less than, this like, okay, etc. And fourth one is delimiters, separator, punctuators, curly brace, open bracket, close bracket, and curly braces, semicolon, as These are punctuators. And fifth type is constants. In this constant, fixed data is there. First one is in this constants. Discuss first character constants. What is character constant? Single characters. A, 5, a small a, this like. And string constant. Follow A, B, C. These are all strings. 3.45. And integer constant. And upcoming videos discuss deeply characters, integer constants, float, sort int, long int, unsigned character, signed character. Those all are discussed in upcoming videos. Okay, don't miss. Watch every video. Integer constants like 5.67, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hexadecimal. This is octa. And final float, floating or real constant. Minus 0.5 or 3.4 e plus 8 or 345.6. Okay. Tokens. It is the smallest unit in a program. In these tokens, there are 5 types. One is keyword. Keywords is a reserved unit in for, if, while, return, void, like that. And identifiers. Identifiers is known that functions, some main, would not known to the compiler and must be declared. And third one is operators. Operators is nothing but or mathematical functions plus minus multiply equal to greater than less than so on etc. And delimiters is nothing but curly braces, open bracket, close bracket, okay, semicolon, yes. And fifth type is constant. Constant is in fixed data. There is another 4 types. One is character constant, another one is single string constant. Difference between character constant and single constant. In this character constant, only single characters is assigned. But in string constant, in this between, so any number of digits or alphabets is given. There is no restrictions. But in this only single character is a mandatory. More than is not allowed in character constant. And integer constant and floating a real constant. You know well, integer constant is nothing but digits integer whole numbers like that, and floating is in decimal points like that. Okay, I think clarif. Is there any doubt? Please comment below. And today's video and final topic is putchar, put as, and printf. Among these three, printf is very important. And Observe what is the difference between putchar, puttes and printf. Putchar, it is a single character a single character char or int converted to character automatically, okay, in this putchar. And this put as a string. S means a string, and in this null terminated. Correct. And this printf is very important. Observe formatted anything data of any type, okay, like int, float, char. This like any data types in this printf is allowed. There is no restrictions, okay. And in this putchar only taken one argument. Put is also only one, but printf take one format string and zero or more operators arguments. There is no limit, okay. And new line is the function, okay, right. And in this putchar not automatically use new line, but in puts automatically use it. And printf not automatically, okay. You observe some codes, write new code like previously explained. Int main printf as my learnings. In this new line, then output my learning, and cursor is not there. Cursor is new line, so cursor is there is only, okay. That is the new line uses, okay. And in this putchar program is faster execution because of it take one argument. Also puts also faster, but compared to these two, printf is something slow because of more more than one arguments, okay. Example, observe putchar only single character and puts only string hello, but printf this example. Observe, okay. This is the putchar, puts and printf difference. I think all are clarify about these three. And today topic is any doubts, please ask me in comments. Okay, thank you all. Welcome.